Hey UX citizen, welcome back. The coldest weather of the summer is dropping into the US this week, 20 to 30 degrees colder for millions, our first real taste of fall. We'll also track isolated severe weather, a sneaky tropical signal in the Atlantic that could slip into the Caribbean, and 2 rainmakers that may bust drought in the plains. I'll break down who feels it, when and how to prep, next 7 days, start to finish. Today is unusually quiet nationwide, one of the calmest days we've had all year. Biggest action? A shield of showers and storms in the Gulf and southeast, with localized flooding possible. Farther north, a large, low-spinning north of the Great Lakes is about to open the door to Canada's cold air, pushing a strong cold front across the Great Plains, Texas, Midwest, Ohio Valley, and even into Florida. Let's talk pattern. A broad trough digs over the Great Lakes, Canada, while a stout ridge holds over the southwest. Northwesterly flow taps Arctic source air, dropping temps 20-30 degrees Fahrenheit in the Midwest, Ohio Valley, Northeast, with record low highs possible. The trough deepens Monday-Tuesday, keeping cold advection going. Expect 5-7 days of below-average readings for a big chunk of the east and central U.S. west of the Rockies. The ridge holds, warmer than average and monsoon-enhanced showers. By Wed-Thu, cool persists east of Texas through the Ohio Valley and East Coast. Frysat, the parent low lifts out. Early September gets murkier, but signals favor severe weather's return over the plains Midwest as new troughs crest the Rockies. Late Sunday, dark blue anomalies stack across the Midwest Ohio Valley. Tuesday AM front stretches DFW, Atlanta, New England, Wed-Thu, cool expands, central northern Florida trends below average. September 1st, Mon, near to just below average hangs on, then warming returns later, opening the door for severe chances if a trough punches east of the Rockies. Day-by-day specifics. Sun, 100s/upper 90s TX/LA/AR/OK. 50s, 60s highs in upper Midwest, many spots in WI barely 60. Mon AM 40s common upper Midwest, upper 30s possible any Minnesota, patchy frost risk in favored valleys. Mon PM 60s 70s Midwest Northeast 100 STX heavy rain cools OK/MO/KS despite humidity. 2, 70s highs broad, 40s 50s lows widely, front enters FL Wed, 5-10 degrees knockdown and drier feel for some. Thu Sat, 70s 80s most areas, 90s cling along Gulf Texas. Northeast dips a bit more Friday, below average favored for most of the country. Translation, best outdoor stretch of the summer for millions. Midwest, have a light jacket. A couple upper 30s/low 40s mornings are on the table. Sun, Mon Use stays unsettled, showers mid-Atlantic, New England. Mon 2, heavy rain targets KSOK spreading into MO. Expect multiple rounds this week, good news for drought relief, but flooding is possible where storms train. Thu Free, another hefty slug across parts of the central and southern plains. Weekend, early next week, the southeast stays storm-prone. Coastal watch, August 31st, September 1st. A low-chance signal emerges for a coastal spin-up near the east coast. More likely, bands of heavy rain along the shore. But a tropical storm-grade system can't be ruled out if the boundary phases with just enough ocean heat and upper support. 2 Atlantic features to flag, south of Bermuda. High likelihood to become Tropical Storm Fernand while drifting north. Hurricane looks unlikely now, but tropical storm force winds and some surge are possible offshore, and for Bermuda interests if it tightens. Main development region, MDR, Invest 99L approaches the Lesser Antilles in a few days, then enters the Caribbean in 5-7 days. Short term, not especially concerning for the islands. Long term, warm Caribbean waters mean conditional risk if organization improves. Scenario space, next 7-10 days. Track A, curves toward Florida if it consolidates and finds a weakness. Track B, slides into the SW Gulf if ridging rebuilds. Track C, dissipates lands into Central America if it stays weak. Right now, all 3 lean tropical storm at most. Confidence is low beyond 5-7 days. Key message, nothing to fear today, just watch the signals. Here's your UX Citizen quick plan. Midwest/NE/Ohio Valley. Plan outdoor days, stash a light jacket, gardeners note patchy frost risk in cold pockets. Central Southern Plains, prep for 2 rain rounds, clear drains, watch flash flood spots. Florida and SE Coast, expect midweek front, coastal areas watch for heavy rain late weekend Mon. Atlantic watchers, Bermuda and boaters keep tabs on Fernand, islands casually monitor Invest 99L. That's your 7-day game plan. No video tomorrow, we're back Monday with fresh model data on the cooldown, plains rain and tropics. If this helped, like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the updates. Stay comfy, stay ready. UX Citizen, we've got your week.